Hi, and welcome to our online alteration and tailoring service overview. Do you want to fix your favorite clothes that has been damaged, or is it not fitting properly, but do not want to step outside or have a busy schedule? We will provide all these services right from your location. Alteration and tailoring has never been so easy and comforting. All you need to do is book a required service from our website. A call will be made at your given number to fix a date and time for the required service. Our expert representative will arrive at your location and will do measurements, other required work, and bring your clothes with them to our warehouse. At our warehouse, our expert team will go through your requirement checklist brought in by our representative and will start working on your order. Once done, your clothes will be delivered to your given address, nicely packaged. We care for you, so even after delivery, we are available for you if you need any kind of support from us. Contact us today and book your service. Visit www.kaprastudio.com to learn more.